23s in the house.
Has decided to take this game into his own personal care.
You talk about a hammer. He was looking down at the basket. Oh my goodness.
Highway picked him. Bluffs one at the line. They leave him open. Oh, the Bulls are up. Oh, baby. He left jock straps all over the hardwood down here.
Oh, but how he read that play to steal the pass.
You gotta get it out of his hands. He's a killer.
That may have been the last shot Michael Jordan will ever take in the NBA.